Number 8. Surface area of a sphere is 5760 pi. What will be its volume? Now हमें surface area given है. So they are saying the surface area of a sphere. What is the formula to find surface area of a sphere? To formula to find surface of the area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. And we know that this is already given that it is equal to 5760 pi. Now we are going to simplify it. How we are going to simplify it? Pi is cancelled with pi, and it's 4r square is equal to 5760. R square is equal to 5760 divided by 4, which is equal to 1440. Now r would be equal to square root of 1440. So taking the square root of 37.9 units. So now they are saying us to find the volume. So why did we use the formula of area here? We use the formula of area here because in the formula of volume we need 4 by r cube by 3. So we do need r, and we do not know what is the value of r, that is radius. To find the value of radius we use the formula of area because we know that what is the area of the sphere. So now as we get the area radius of the sphere 37.9, we will use the volume 4 pi r cube by 3. So it's going to be equal to 4 pi, what is r, 37.9 whole cube divided by 3. So we will do the calculations, which is equal to 228,037.48 units cube. Okay. Question number 9 is Question number 9 says radius of the base of a cone is 3 meter and the height is 5 meter. It is given that radius of the cone is 3 meter, height is 5 meters. Okay. Find its slant height. So the formula to find the slant height of the cone is I is equal to square root of r square plus 8 square. So first of all we are going to use I, which is equal to 3 square plus 5 square, 9 plus 25, which is equal to square root of 34. So they were asking us to find the slant height, and that is equal to square root of 34. Now the radius of the base of the cone is 16 meter and slant height is 15 meter. Find the total surface area and volume of the cone. Now we know the surface formula to find the surface area of the cone is pi r plus I, and volume of the cone is pi r square h by 3. First of all, to find surface area of the cone, to find surface area, pi r, what is r? 16, r plus I, r 16 plus 15. So now solving this, so it is equal to 1558.23 meters square, and if we will convert into centimeter square, it's multiplied by 10,000, which would be equal to 15582299.5 centimeters square. This was the surface area. Now about volume. To find the volume we need pi r and h, and we do not have h. So we know that formula for slant height is I is equal to square root of r square plus h square, and using this formula we can find h. R is 16 and I is 15. So it's 15, 16 square plus 8 square. Taking square root on both sides, we get 225 is equal to 16 square plus 8 square, which is 225 minus 16 square is equal to 8 square, which is equal to 31 is equal to 8 square, and taking square root on both sides, h would be equal to square root of 31, which is 5.567. Okay, so finding the volume now. The formula for volume was pi r square h by 3, pi r square h by 3. Now pi, what is r? R is 16. 16 square, h is 5.567 divided by 3, which is equal to 1492.415 meter cube, and we need to convert into centimeter cube, which is equal to this centimeter cube that is multiplied by